if I'll suppose that I'll put, oh,
I
did you
gave
record?
Priya recording access and now she's recording.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's nothing like that. See, if you declare somewhere, you type, suppose that 1 second, hold it. I have created some add, subtract, multiply, everything I created here, right? I'll type there again. It is nothing to matter. This is the part of this, you can say, the compiler. Just consider this is a variable name. It doesn't do. It will read something from the memory, but it will not do anything. That's all.
Okay.
It is something like this. I'll
Okay.
put all this variable name here, and then
No.
it should work.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Control F5, right?
Hopefully.
It will. It is working. See, just it is reading the value of variable. That's all. It doesn't
Oh.
do anything with that.
So it's just taking a look at it, but won't do nothing.
Yeah, right. It is just peeping into your house, but I don't do anything. It is privacy violation. It is just peeping into the memory location of this variable. That's all. Okay, you learned a lot of good stuff today, which I didn't expect that in this class eventually. But you learned a couple of things. So I have one request for all of you guys. Will you listen to me? Then I will make a request.
Make the request, sir,
$1
please.
million credit into my account.
What request? Sorry.
$1 million.
He was being
My
specific
parents.
to the dollar. If not, I would have said like something like 1 million, the weakest currency and the weakest type of currency in the currency.
Dollar. Kidding. I was telling, I'll just upload this notebook, Python arguments, Python function arguments. Okay. Most of the things I have covered out of it. If you spend some time, just I'll cover once, which is not very difficult thing, the last one. Otherwise, default argument, keyword argument, all our things are covered to you in the first class itself. Like when you write something here, like in this is called default argument, okay? And when you call this one here, like this is called keyword argument. When you call them, when you are calling here, we are when we are calling a function like this, then it is become. Yesterday I told you. Let me quickly tell you. I'll create a function like this, okay? Definition sum a b, okay? Return a comma b, or maybe a plus b. I'll call sum equal to, sorry, result equal to, result equal to sum a equal to 5, b equal to 10. If I write like this, okay, then this is called keyword argument. That's all.
So it should work.
Yeah, it will work.
So you'll teach us this next block. I mean, next.
No, it is already covered to you.
We
Oh,
already
Just
told
I'm
us.
revising you, and you need to revise yourself from this keyboard,
this
this
notebook.
notebook. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So see, when I'm typing here, you can say this is here 150 and 200 are default
Default
argument. Ar-
argument. Okay.
And when we type here, a equal to what I'm passing, right? Something we write like a equal to 5, b equal to 10. When we are passing, then we are calling this is a keyword arguments. Means when we are giving that variable name here, okay, then we are just calling it keyword argument. Just this is namesake. It doesn't matter much actually, but because they have given the name, so I'm telling you. I don't like this name eventually, the keyword argument. Keyword is a different thing, but they are calling, then that's why I'm telling you. Okay. So main purpose per thing is you can give something here, right? You can give something here. Here, if you don't pass, then it will take this value that I covered to you. But if you pass something, then this value will go there.
Oh, yeah. I remember you mentioning this.
Yeah, I told you this.
Yeah.
So see here what you are getting. So when I'm passing 5, 10, it is giving 15, right?
Sir, but
But
but you don't have to say A is equal to 15 and A is equal to 5 and A is equal. You can just put 5 and 10.
yeah, now
Yeah.
I'm telling you, same thing I can do like this. No, I have to explain something here. See. So this is also give you 15, but I can change something like this. I told you covered this. Suppose that I want to give. The beauty of keyword argument means if you want to give variable name, this will not mix up your thing because we always assume first value will go on the first variable Second value will go on the second variable. Okay. But when in most of the cases, if you see, we will have in Python so many variable will name will be there. So many variable name in the function. Let us check some example. Let me see. Read, import, pandas. Okay, and
Import
pandas.
pandas is like the thing where you, oh, that's Piglet.
See here, how many arguments are here? The all are arguments. Can you see this? This all are arguments. So many arguments are there.
Wait, what are those?
That that you learn in data science when you learn about data science. See here, these
Oh,
all are arguments actually. So tons of arguments sometimes you see, and that time it's very difficult to pass to that particular order. See, these all are arguments to one function. Can you believe it? How many are there? These all are arguments, and they all are the default values. None, none, none. Right?
Do we even do with them, sir?
Sorry. Yeah, we use them. And that's very useful when you go to data science.
and
Yeah.
So
I'm
just
doing it.
listen carefully. I'm telling you a very important concept. So what I'm telling you, when you have tons of arguments, it's very difficult to give all the arguments because we have to give very few of them because the rest of them it will take default value. So in that case, this one is very useful. I will put b equal to 5 and a equal to 10. It doesn't matter. This is a very helpful thing and it is not available in everywhere. It's beauty of Python. So it will understand this b is for here and a for here. And that's why in Python we practice to write like this always. We don't write like this. This is the better way to write. Always you write your variable name here also. Make practice to write this way. Write this way. Did you listen? Did you understand what concept I told you now?
Yes, sir, precisely.
Yes. So this is very, very important thing. And this will give you again 15, but this 5 will go on this one. Let's do this negative. Okay. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Semi only. So if I'll call it here, I define this a minus b and let me call it. I'll get. So 10 minus 5, right? Because on a I am getting 10. But if I'll pass something like this, I will just put 5 and 10. Then what will happen? I'll give minus 5. See the difference. Because 5 is going on A, 10 is going on B. But here I'm telling no. On B, I should have 5. On A, I should have 10. So this is very, all the concept I have covered you except one variable length argument that you need, I'll explain you. That's also one-liner thing. Otherwise, function I covered 90% of things I covered like for your level.
Okay.
Otherwise, we have a lot of other stuff to learn, but I don't want to make your life complicated and my mine too. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll upload this notebook and this notebook again, which we discussed, and then today's class is done. It was better I could have recorded this session. Janya, send me the recording. Upload on somewhere and send me.
Yes, sir.